Gramercy Tulum, 3.5-star hotel on the beach, near Tulum Beach. This hotel features a restaurant, a bar, lounge and a coffee shop, cafe. Wi-Fi in public areas is free. Additionally, concierge services, tour, ticket assistance and a garden are on site. All 11 individually decorated rooms feature free Wi-Fi and room service. Balconies or patios. Premium bedding and free bottled water are among the other amenities available to guests. Gramercy Tulum offers 11 forms of air-conditioned accommodation with a safe and complimentary bottles of water. Rooms open to balconies or patios. Each accommodation is individually decorated. Beds feature premium bedding. Guests can surf the web using complimentary wireless internet access. Bathrooms include a shower and complimentary toiletries. Additionally, rooms include an ironing board and a ceiling fan. A nightly turn-down service is provided and housekeeping is offered on a daily basis.